Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Donna and today we are going to talk about planning a birthday party.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Donna, do you like birthday parties?
Yes, Wilbert, I like birthday parties very much.
That is great. Why do you like them?
I like meeting family and friends.
That sounds nice.
Yes, everyone is happy at a birthday party.
Do you have a birthday party every year?
Sometimes I do. Sometimes I celebrate in a simple way.
I understand. What is your favorite part of a birthday party?
My favorite part is eating cake.
Mine too.
What kind of cake do you like?
I like chocolate cake.
Oh, really?
Yes, it is my favorite.
I like strawberry cake.
That sounds delicious.
Thank you.
Today, let's talk about planning a birthday party.
Great idea.
First, when do we plan a birthday party?
We plan it before the birthday.
Yes, we need time to prepare.
That is true.
What is the first thing we should do?
We should choose a date.
Good answer.
Thank you.
After choosing a date, what comes next?
We choose a place.
Correct.
The party can be at home.
Yes,
It can also be in a restaurant.
that is right.
Some people have parties in a park.
Wow, that sounds fun.
Yes, especially on sunny days.
How many people should we invite?
It depends on the party.
Good point.
A small party may have 10 people.
Yes.
A large party may have many more.
Do you like small parties or big parties?
I like small parties.
Why?
They are quiet and comfortable.
I agree.
What about you?
I also like small parties.
Nice.
After choosing the guests, what should we do?
We should send invitations.
Yes,
We can send messages by phone.
that is easy.
We can also give invitation cards.
That sounds special.
Yes, it does.
What food should we prepare?
We should prepare food that guests like.
Good idea.
Pizza is popular.
Yes,
Sandwiches are also good.
I like sandwiches.
Me too.
And of course, we need a birthday cake.
Of course.
A birthday party is not complete without a cake.
I agree.
Do you like candles on the cake?
Yes, they are important.
Why?
Because the birthday person makes a wish.
That is a fun tradition.
Yes, it is.
What decorations can we use?
We can use balloons.
Good.
We can use banners too.
Nice.
We can also use colorful lights.
That sounds beautiful.
Thank you.
What games can people play at a birthday party?
They can play guessing games.
Sounds fun.
They can also play music games.
Nice.
Children often enjoy party games.
Yes, they do.
Adults can also play games.
That is true.
Games help people have fun.
I agree.
Wilbert, what was your favorite birthday party?
It was my birthday party last year.
Really?
Yes.
What happened?
My friends surprised me.
Wow,
I was very happy.
that sounds wonderful.
It was.
Did you get many gifts?
Yes, I did.
Nice.
My friends gave me books.
That is a great gift.
Thank you.
I love receiving books too.
Donna, what was your favorite birthday party?
Mine was 2 years ago.
Tell us about it.
My family prepared everything for me.
That's sweet.
We ate dinner together.
Nice.
Then we sang Happy Birthday.
Wonderful.
It was simple but special.
Sometimes simple is best.
I think so too.
Let's help our listeners learn some English.
Great idea.
The word invite is useful.
Yes, invite means to ask someone to come.
Example, I invite my friends to my birthday party.
Very good.
Another word is guest.
A guest is a person who comes to a party.
Example, we have many guests today.
Excellent.
Another word is celebrate.
Celebrate means to do something special for an event.
Example, we celebrate my birthday every year.
Great example.
Let's talk about grammar.
Sure.
We can say, I have a party.
Yes.
We can also say, I am having a party.
Both are correct.
The second sentence talks about a plan.
That is right.
Let's give more examples.
Good idea.
I am having a birthday party on Saturday.
She is having a birthday party next week.
Excellent.
Thank you.
Let's learn some verbs.
Sounds good.
Invite,
Invited.
plan,
Planned.
decorate.
Decorated.
These are regular verbs.
Yes, we add ed.
Great.
Very easy.
Now let's look at an irregular verb.
Okay.
Give.
Gave.
Good.
Example, my friend gave me a gift.
Excellent sentence.
Thank you.
Here is a pronunciation tip.
Let's hear it.
The word birthday is often pronounced as birthday.
Yes.
Say it slowly first.
Birthday.
Very good.
Practice makes progress.
Nice advice.
Thank you.
Listeners, what kind of birthday cake do you like?
Please write your answer in the comments.
We would love to read your answers.
Yes, we would.
If you are enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thank you for supporting the channel.
Let's continue.
Sure.
What gifts are good for birthdays?
Books are nice gifts.
Yes,
Clothes can also be good gifts.
I agree.
Some people like gift cards.
That is true.
It depends on the person.
Good point.
What gift do you like to receive?
I like useful gifts.
Me too.
Useful gifts help every day.
Exactly.
Do you like surprise parties?
Sometimes.
Why only sometimes?
Because I like to know the plan.
That makes sense.
What about you?
I enjoy surprises.
Really?
Yes, they are exciting.
That sounds fun.
Birthdays are special because we spend time with people we love.
I completely agree.
Family and friends make birthdays meaningful.
Yes, they do.
We do not always need expensive parties.
That is true.
Simple moments can be very special.
I like that idea.
Me too.
What about you, listeners?
Do you prefer a big party or a small party?
Please tell us in the comments.
We enjoy hearing from you.
Thank you for sharing your thoughts.
Today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today.
We talked about planning a birthday party.
We also learned new English words and sentences.
Thank you everyone for listening.
We hope you learned something new today.
Keep practicing English every day.
Little by little, you will improve.
See you in the next episode.
See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.